Hey Vatos, how's it going? This is Angel with Vapewaves and Subarus. I want to say thank you for clicking on episode number 2 of my Legacy Rally build. Last episode, I introduced you guys to my brand new project that I bought for 800 bucks, and I was going to be turning into a rally car so that I could go take it into the rallies over in San Marcos. Pretty much just showing you what the condition of the car was in, interior, the engine. Pretty much got a lot of work to do on the vehicle. So today I think I'm gonna be starting with taking out the spark plugs. I'll be seeing what condition they're in, because I really don't know when's the last time the vehicle's been ran. I'm also gonna be taking a little time to clean out the throttle body, so whenever I do start it up, at least I know that the throttle body is not going to give me any issues. I'm also going to be trying to actually start the vehicle today for the first time, so that should be exciting. I really don't know what to expect. The vehicle never ran since I bought it. I didn't get to see it run. It didn't have a battery. It's missing a radiator right now, so has some work that needs to be done. But if I'm able to put a new battery in there, I can bypass the transmission line and at least try turning over the vehicle so that I'm able to see if it has a good engine or not. I really don't know, but I guess we'll find out. Alrighty, got a battery in there. I had to do a little bypassing of the transmission line just so I'm able to start it without the radiator. It'll turn on, but it won't run long before it gets all hot, but at least I can start it. Alright, first start, here we go. Alright. Let's try it again. Alright, it's hard to start when you got no gas, right? So I went and I got some gas. And let's try this again. Whoop. Turned over. Let me check something. Okay, so I took out the actual fuel line, try to see if any fuel was coming out, and there's no fuel coming out. I didn't put that much fuel on it. I put around 1.5 gallons. Maybe I need to put a little more. But just in case, before I do any of that, I'm gonna pull out the actual fuel pump and see how it looks. Well, just giving you guys an update on our little fuel issue. It's pretty much a given that the fuel pump was gonna be garbage. So I don't know how long this thing's been sitting here, but you see on the inside, yeah. Alright, about those, it's the end of the day. I got a lot of progress done today. I took out those spark plugs to see what condition they were in. It was 2 out of 4 that were pretty good, so you know, it's not too bad. I also cleaned out the throttle body, just so I would make sure that all that was nice and clean whenever I do get ready to start it up. It's not something that I have to worry about. Sadly, I wasn't able to get the car to start turning on because I have apparently a bad fuel pump. And it's not just the fuel pump, it's actually the whole fuel pump assembly with the level, and I'm gonna have to change all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I replace that on the next episode. Hopefully after that's replaced, we can get the car running. Plans for the future: I still need to install the exhaust manifold on the vehicle because it doesn't have one right now. It sounds really rowdy without it, but just the fact that I was able to get the car to turn over, it's honestly, I'm pretty happy about that. I know that the engine's not locked up, which is a good sign because, you know, you never know with these kinds of builds what you're gonna end up running into. But yeah, I guess my next step is to go and find myself a fuel pump assembly and clean out that fuel tank as well. Something I really need to do because it did not look very good, but I'm pretty sure I can save it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing. I appreciate all of you. If you do want to help support my build, because this is a self-funded build, I do have a Patreon link in the description below. Feel free to go check that out. Go check out my Instagram. I got my Facebook page as well, making content, not just this, but also making my music videos and stuff like that. So if you're curious about that, go and check that out, you know. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. There's about this. Well, you never see one.